Welcome to ACCC University. Your trainer for today's presentation is David Summer. And the plant. Welcome to RightFax training. This course goes over how to use the RightFax printer driver to fax a document from any application. This specific course goes over using the functionality within Adobe Acrobat. In this demonstration, we will go over how to use the RightFax printer driver to send a fax through an application. For this example, we will use an Adobe PDF document. From the File menu, select Print from any application. In the Print dialog box, you want to select the RightFax fax printer from the list. Then, click the Print button. The Fax Information dialog box will appear. Notice there are two bold fields, name and fax number. These two items are mandatory when sending a fax. The other options you see, such as voice number, company, and so forth, are not required to send a fax. So, simply type in the name of the recipient of your fax. It is not necessary to put a 9 or a 1 prior to the prefix of the fax number. Once that's completed, you can then select the Cover Sheet Notes tab at the top and enter information that would display in the cover sheet. The Attachments tab at the top will allow you to attach additional documents. By clicking the Paperclip button on the left-hand side, you will have access to your folder structure to add additional documents, if you so desire. The list of documents that are going to be attached will display in the box down below. You can widen and shrink the columns to view the information. Then, go back to the Main tab and click Send. Once you click Send, your RightFax is being processed from the RightFax server and being sent to its recipient. Once your fax was sent, you will receive a confirmation via email of the status of your fax. Notice we have an email from RightFax that states your fax has been successfully sent. It has the recipient's name and fax number to which your fax was sent. There is also an attachment. By double-clicking the attachment and opening it, the cover page and the document can then be displayed. Below the attachment is the confirmation. It tells you the date and time that the transmission was successful, the number, and how many tries it took, the total number of pages, and the time it took to send. This concludes sending a fax using the RightFax fax printer driver.